Yeah, Ramogi watiri pichni machiel kachiel mabende timore mano kotenore kod jogo mabende wacho ni ne omaki kanyo kod apisas mag obila tok kane gimolo e paro obila mar apisas mago kwach kich ka bende ne gidwaro mondo mi ging'e omiyo osebedi kimanyogi kanyo kod apisas mag obila to kod bende meko mar moko kuomgi. Mae kaka pichni go chal.
As we do whatever we are doing, just as the citizens are respecting the law and protesting peacefully, the police should ensure that they don't use lethal weapons or force that they are using against the citizens for exercising their democratic rights, protesting against the finance bill. Thank you very much.
Do you want me to speak? Yeah, sure. Let me see. I have some notes here because I thought what the DCI said was very important to be shared among Kenyans when we went there for discussion. He said that they respect the Constitution and the people's rights, okay? They said they know that they are supposed to protect lives and properties, okay? And what was also important is that he said abduction is a crime, okay? And so that was basically our discussion. There's a lot of stuff that happened when we went there. But the issue of abductions is not new. For those of us who are of my generation, they know there was the Gorokos, there was the Kwekwe's, the flying squads, killer groups, illegal groups within the police force. And I think that's what we have to basically tell the IG, that those groups are subverting the law, they are abducting people, and so they've got to protect, uphold, and defend the Constitution. That's all basically what we are saying. And for some of us, we have been saying this since the 70s, okay? But I still think that it's the Constitution protects our lives, our properties, and the rights are very clear. If people demonstrate under that 7, the police are the ones who are supposed to protect them, not to tear gas them or use water cannons or live bullets. It's very clear. They should protect the demonstrators, because they might meet another group that wants to deny them, demonstration. And that's why it's their duty, to protect demonstrators so that they exercise that right.